Hi, welcome to another video tutorial of RPA Genie. In this video, we'll learn about variables. So first, we'll click on the Variables tab here in the Designer panel. Now, once we click on the Variables tab, the Variables panel opens up. Here, let's explore the features that are available in this panel. So first, we have the Add a Variable option. So let's click that. Now, we need to specify a name, type, direction, and a default value for the variable. For this variable, we can give it a more meaningful name by clicking on it and changing it. So here, I will change it from var1 to var string, since we are creating a string variable. As for type, when we click on the string, here we can see a drop down which lists many types of data. Here, we will keep it unchanged, that is string. Now, next is the direction. We have four types, that is in direction is when a data is passed into this variable from another sequence into this sequence. Out is when it is passed on to another sequence from this sequence. In out can work both ways. It can be passed into this sequence or out of the sequence. Now we'll go ahead with variable. Now we can provide a default value for this variable. Here I will double click on this and give the value as hello world. Note that I'm giving the value in double quotes since the type of variable is string. Now let's display the value of this variable in a message box. So I'll click on activities and type message, and we'll drag and drop the message box activity into this designer panel. Now here in the input properties in the message field, we can provide the variable var string. Now let's click on save all and run the sequence. Here we can see that the message box has displayed the value of the variable hello world. Now let's have a look at another method on how to create a variable without using the variables panel. So first I'll delete the message box, click on activities and search for an activity called assign. Now in the input properties section, we can click on the to field and we can create a variable by giving control plus K. So when we use control plus K, we can see this field called set variable where we need to provide a variable name. So here I'll give var test and press enter. Now in the value field, we can give RPA Genie in quotes since this will be a string type. Now I'll drag and drop a message box to display the value. Here in the message field, we can give the name of the variable which we created now, var test. Click on save and run the sequence. Here we can see the value of the newly created variable, that's RPA Genie. Now, when we click on the variables panel, here we can see the variable var test, which was created here in the assign activity by using control plus K. Now, note that the type by default is object. So here it accepts generic values that will include string as well, and the direction is variable. Now here we have already assigned a value to this variable, which is why it is displayed in the message box. Otherwise, it would take the default value if it is provided. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.